Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to change the oil in your vehicle. These are the steps to take as part of routine maintenance to keep your engine running smoothly. First, let's make sure we have everything you need. New oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, a cloth, and a funnel. All of these things are required. Next, switch on the engine and let it run for a few minutes. This will warm up the oil and allow it to drain out more easily. When ready, switch the engine off and locate the oil drain plug. This is usually located at the bottom of the engine and is sometimes protected by a plastic cover similar to this. Use the wrench to loosen the plug and position the pan underneath to catch the oil. Allow the oil to completely drain before closing the plug. Now you can replace the oil filter. Again, use the filter wrench to remove the old filter before replacing with the new one. We recommend filling the oil filter with the new oil and lubricating the seal. And you're ready to add new oil. Use the funnel to pour the oil into the engine according to the manufacturer's specifications. Then, using the dipstick, check the oil level to ensure that you've added enough. Start the engine again and let it run for a few minutes to allow the new oil to circulate. Once this is done, turn off the engine and check the oil level again with the dipstick. Allow a few minutes for the oil to settle first. If necessary, add more oil. Now, you need to throw away the old oil and filter responsibly. Don't be a mugu and chuck it down the drain or on the ground. Be and do better by taking it to an oil disposal point. Visit the Rose Foundation at www.rosefoundation.org for more information. This is a general guide to changing the oil of your vehicle. It's always important to follow the specific instructions for your vehicle, as procedures can vary depending on make and model. Your owner's manual is a good place to check for detailed instructions. Now you're in the know on changing oil. Sharing is caring. When you know, you know. Get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands.